Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add highlights on Instagram without adding to Instagram story. For this, first of all, just open up the Instagram application in your mobile. Tap on these three bars to go to your settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see this option, hide story and live. Tap on it. Tap on this hide story and live from. Now you can select all that persons you want to hide the story from and simply tap on this done. Now go back to your home page, tap on this your story, and then you can upload the photo or video you want to add to your highlight. Simply tap on this arrow, tap on this share, and simply tap on this add to highlights. Tap on it and tap on this done. Now your highlight is added and nobody can see your story because you already hide them. If you tap on this highlight, you can see there is the photo we have added on highlight. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.